Hello my crafty friends, and welcome to my third process video of So You Only Have 10 Minutes, where I take 10-minute segments. I use my timer and to see how much we can get done in making these cards for the December 2020 sheet load. And this is from Call Me Crafty Owl. And I will put a link down in the description box, and if you're a subscriber, you can get this and play along. All right, let's get started. I had 6 left to go when the time ran out, and I am alternating between the sentiment pieces and some ephemera from my collection. I have ephemera, I have puffy stickers, I have regular stickers, I have chipboard, accents. It's just a wonderful kit. All right. And I do have Nouveau drops, but I have the enamel dots also right here. So we'll see what as we go. And I did re-ink my garden green, and we're going to stamp the inside of the white card bases, and I've already made an insert and stamped that off camera. That took about 5 minutes. That will be for the craft card bases. Okay. 10 minutes on the clock. And I have both my Tombow snail runner and the liquid glue this time. I had taken it out into another room to work on putting inserts in Christmas cards. So there's that one. I've already kind of decided what I wanted to put where. And you'll see that coming up. So because I'm going to stamp the insides of the cards also, we may or may not get a lot of embellishing done. See, 1, 2, 3. Yes, I had 2. So we're just gonna do the sentiment strips on all but 2 of them. Okay, that's the beauty about how thin these are. I only need 1 little strip of glue. I'm going to use a piece of ephemera for this one. I think that's kind of cute. And I did surgery on it. It was longer, and I rounded off these pieces. But I don't think it's going to matter because I'm covering it up here. So just the top rounded pieces will show. Like I said, this one's got an insert in it. I'm going to put this one on here because this is white, and so I think that'll go better. So we'll have some color against it instead of white against white. See, just like that. And then this piece will cover that. Yeah. The glue is perfect for this. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and all these that I have ready, the inserts. So let's go ahead and put those on. Where's my 5 minutes? I found out the hard way that at the time I made these cards and shot a video, I said, oh, I'll have time to stamp the inside later. Well, guess what? No, I didn't. Or I don't. When I go to gather my Christmas cards to get them ready to mail, like, oh, great, I don't have the inside stamped. So, yes. So let's take a little bit of extra time now. And if we don't get them embellished, we don't get them embellished. Okay, where's the other one? There we go. 2 more here. But the cards themselves will be done. Okay, now, there we go. All right, let's pull out the stickers. So I want to put them on the inside of the card. So let's see what... Should we put this here? Yes, let's put that there. And let's put a little ornament here. How's that? Cute, cute, cute. Nope, that won't work because we could put it over here. Yeah, there we go. Just fits. Okay. Cute. See if I can pull that. Nope, I can't pull that up now. I could put that over there. Oh, let's see. We'll put a little tree over here. Okay. Oh, let's stamp these. Christmas wishes from the heart. Cherish this season. Make sure I'm in frame. Oop. Okay. I may have to put a, let's see. All right. Taste makes waste. There. Perfect. And this is black, but I'm still going to do it in garden green. Oh. Let's skip that one for a second and continue with the garden green. I will do that one in black. I will be making another one, a personal one off camera, because my cousin is a farmer. He's running the family farm. And so, okay, there we go. There's our 10 minutes. He runs the family farm, and the tractor with the garland on it would be just so cute. So the cards, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are stamped, and I have some embellishment in the inside on a couple of them. So the outsides of all of them are done. As you saw in the showcase, I had them completely done and embellished. So I hope you enjoyed. Altogether, it took me about 55 minutes to get these all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.